"The machine that builds the machine is more important than the machine itself," said Elon Musk, possibly while staring intensely at a blueprint and sipping a latte brewed by a robot barista. These groundbreaking innovations aren't just tools, they're the overachievers of the industrial world, flexing their mechanical muscles and making regular machines look like they're slacking off. But what makes these machines groundbreaking? Are they reshaping how we work, or are they just sitting on the drawing board, dreaming of their big debut? Join us as we dive into the world of advanced engineering and meet the visionaries who dared to ask, what if we made it bigger, faster, and cooler? It doesn't get any better than getting up close with a machine that imagines a future where construction sites look less like scenes from an action movie and more like a smooth-running sci-fi utopia. Gone are the days when dangerous tasks were the equivalent of playing a game of which body part is getting a bandage today. Enter the Doosan Concept X Excavator, a machine so smart it might steal your job if you're not careful. This isn't just an excavator, it's a control solution that surveys worksite topography via 3D drone scanning. Yes, drones. It's like it's saying, why use your eyes when I have a fleet of flying robots to do the looking for you? Now, if you're hunting for a machine that screams economy, comfort, and efficiency for coal and mineral mining, meet the SANY SKT-90S wide-body mining truck. This beast is like the Swiss Army knife of mining, except it weighs 80 tons and won't fit in your pocket. Built with international first-class design standards, it sets the bar so high that other trucks need a ladder just to reach it. But wait, there's more. For industrial innovation, your machinery lineup isn't complete without these three overachievers. First up, if you're looking to reduce emissions, the Liebherr LR 1250.1 Unplugged is your eco-friendly bestie. Forget about plugging in your phone. This machine can go all day without a single cable. For enabling remote operations, the Sarcos Guardian XT is like the robot sidekick you've always wanted. And if you need a giant to move mountains, literally, the Caterpillar 797F is here to flex its massive material transporting muscles. Now let's get serious. Seriously impressed, that is, with the heavyweight high-tech quartet: John Deere 850K SmartGrade dozer, Komatsu 930E5 autonomous haul truck, Liebherr PR 776 Litronic autonomous dozer, and XCMG XE27 autonomous excavator. These machines don't just excel in grading, hauling, dozing, or excavating, they do it with such precision that you might start wondering if they secretly moonlight as surgeons. So, what makes these futuristic machines more than just oversized metal superheroes? Are they worth their weight in gold, or are they the sleeper hits of tomorrow's industry? Stick around, grab a seat, and let's unearth the secrets behind these groundbreaking machines, because the future of heavy machinery isn't just heavy. It's smarter, sharper, and way more exciting than we could have ever imagined. At the heart of innovation lies the Doosan Concept X Excavator, a machine so advanced it doesn't even need a human operator. That's right, it's essentially a metal workaholic that doesn't complain about overtime or need coffee breaks. Talk about the future of construction. This trailblazer is a shining example of how heavy machinery is evolving into smarter, safer, and more efficient tools for the job. And bonus points, it keeps human workers out of hazardous areas. Because honestly, who wouldn't want to avoid a workplace hazard where falling debris is a routine weather forecast? One of its jaw-dropping features is its 3D drone surveying technology. This allows the excavator to scan the site's topography in real time with surgical precision. Picture this: a drone flying around like it's auditioning for a sci-fi movie while the excavator takes notes like an A+ student. Think that's all? Nope. It's also got a smart control system that enhances operational efficiency with remote monitoring and control. In other words, you could technically dig a hole while lounging on your couch. Now that's multitasking for the lazy genius. What if I told you the future of mining was safer, more efficient, and cost-effective? Cue the superhero entrance music, because here comes the SANY SKT-90S wide-body mining truck, a machine that screams, "I lift heavy things, and I do it like a pro." With a payload capacity of 61 tons, this truck is designed to handle mining's harshest environments. It's the workhorse you need when moving mountains isn't just a metaphor. Its wide-body design isn't just for show, it ensures stability and maximizes hauling capacity, making it perfect for those massive operations where too big doesn't exist. But wait, there's more. It boasts an advanced transmission system with both automatic and manual options, because sometimes even trucks like to keep their options open. Oh, and did we mention it's a fuel-saving hero? While most mining equipment guzzles fuel like a thirsty camel, this truck's optimized engine sips it like a fine wine, significantly reducing operational costs. Efficient and eco-friendly, what's not to love? Still reeling from those jaw-dropping innovations? Well, buckle up because the Liebherr LR 1250.1 Unplugged is about to blow your mind. Imagine a world where construction isn't just powerful, but also silent and emission-free. This battery-powered crawler crane is like the Tesla of construction, if Tesla had a thing for lifting steel beams instead of speeding down highways. The LR 1250.1 Unplugged is the world's first battery-powered crawler crane, and its electric engine ensures noise and air pollution are left in the dust. Perfect for those projects where a quiet construction site is crucial, because who doesn't love building skyscrapers without waking the neighbors? Its semi-autonomous capabilities are just icing on the cake, showcasing how cutting-edge technology is reshaping the industry to prioritize safety and efficiency. The cherry on top? Its high-performance battery system, offering extended operation times and quick charging. Translation: it works harder, charges faster, and complains less than your smartphone. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the Sarcos Robotics Guardian XT, a machine so futuristic it feels like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster. It combines human intelligence with robotic power, pushing the limits of what heavy machinery can do. And honestly, it's a little intimidating how good it is. Designed for high-risk environments, the Guardian XT keeps human operators at a safe distance while it tackles dangerous tasks like welding, cutting, and assembly in areas no human wants to set foot in. Basically, it's the machine equivalent of a superhero that can bench press danger. Its teleoperation capabilities are advanced enough to mimic human movements with eerie precision. It's like watching a robotic shadow do all the hard work while you supervise from the safety of your control room. Bonus points if you feel like a Bond villain while doing it. Powered by cutting-edge AI, it adapts in real time to perform intricate tasks with breathtaking accuracy. If machines like this keep evolving, it's only a matter of time before they start critiquing our work instead of the other way around. Did you know that some of the largest mining trucks on Earth are now driving themselves, saving millions of dollars while reducing risks? Meet the Caterpillar 797F autonomous haul truck, a monster of innovation that weighs over 600 tons and needs no human driver to deliver mind-blowing performance. It's like the Terminator of the mining world, except instead of yelling, "I'll be back," it hauls 400 tons of rocks and keeps going. Designed to tackle the harshest mining conditions with unmatched efficiency, this truck's payload capacity could easily accommodate 57 elephants or approximately 2 midlife crises worth of impulse buy SUVs. But who's counting? What really sets the 797F apart is its fully autonomous driving system. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS technology, the truck navigates complex mining sites without a driver. That's right, no human hands on the wheel. It's like your favorite sci-fi movie, but with more dirt and fewer alien invasions. Another key feature is its powerful engine, which delivers superior fuel efficiency despite its enormous size. Mining operations are notorious for guzzling fuel like a college student guzzles energy drinks during finals, but the 797F's design helps cut costs and emissions. It's basically a giant eco-friendly robot that makes other trucks feel like slackers. As John Deere says, we don't just build machines, we build possibilities. And the 850K SmartGrade dozer proves it. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of bulldozers, but with GPS and the attitude of a perfectionist. Designed to boost productivity and precision on construction sites, this machine combines advanced sensors and a GPS-guided grading system to ensure unmatched accuracy. It's so precise, it could probably give you a haircut if construction didn't work out. Safety and comfort are also prioritized in the John Deere 850K SmartGrade dozer. Its ergonomic cab design, climate control, and noise reduction features ensure operators can work efficiently for extended hours. It's basically a 5-star hotel on wheels, if your idea of luxury involves dirt and heavy lifting. And then there's the user-friendly interface, which makes operating this beast a breeze. Even less experienced operators can achieve professional results. It's like having a cheat code for construction. Who needs years of practice when the machine practically whispers, "I got this"? They say the future belongs to the bold, and the Komatsu 930 E5 autonomous haul truck is boldness on wheels. Imagine if a dump truck decided to go to grad school and came out with a PhD in how to be awesome at mining. This truck doesn't just operate without a driver, it thrives without one. Thanks to its autonomous system, it tackles mining tasks with a level of precision that could make a laser jealous. It's basically the Beyoncé of mining trucks. Flawless, powerful, and always on point. One of its star features is the massive 320-ton payload capacity. That's like carrying the combined weight of 160 average-sized cars or a couple of indecisive furniture shoppers on moving day. But wait, there's more! The Komatsu 930E5 is also an eco-friendly powerhouse. With its fuel-efficient engine and optimized design, it reduces fuel consumption and emissions while keeping operations efficient. It's a win-win for both the planet and your mining budget. Now, that's bold and brilliant. The Liebherr PR776. Litronic autonomous dozer isn't just a machine. It's a 70-ton beast with a brain. If you've ever wondered what would happen if a bulldozer got a genius IQ and a gym membership, this is your answer. Equipped with advanced navigation systems, this dozer doesn't just move dirt. It practically choreographs an earth-moving symphony. It's so smart, it could probably calculate your taxes while reshaping the landscape. Efficiency and precision? Check. Show-stopping moves? Double check. With its diesel-electric drive system, the PR776 blends raw power with eco-friendly innovation. It's like a hybrid car's hulking cousin who also happens to bench press mountains. It reduces fuel consumption and emissions, proving that even tough machines can be gentle on the planet. Finally, let's talk about the XCMG XE27E autonomous excavator. Small in size but big on innovation, this little guy is like the tech nerd of the construction world. It's smart, efficient, and always ready to dig deeper, literally. At just 2.7 tons, the XE27E can squeeze into tight spaces where larger excavators wouldn't dare to tread. It's like the secret agent of excavation, tackling missions in urban construction and small-scale projects. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with intelligent sensors and AI-powered technology that make it capable of navigating complex environments. Whether it's digging trenches or lifting debris, it gets the job done with the kind of precision that would make a surgeon jealous. One standout feature is its ability to be remotely controlled, allowing operators to work from a safe distance. So, if you've ever wanted to feel like a kid with a remote control toy, except the toy is a high-tech excavator, this is your dream come true. Now you've seen how these futuristic heavy machines are transforming industries. Want to explore even more groundbreaking machines shaping the future? Click on the video on the right to continue the journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.